Hi guys, in this video I'm going to discuss on number problems. Example number 1. Find 5 consecutive odd integers whose sum is 75. So we can let x will be the first odd integer. Then if we're going to have x as our first odd integer, so the next odd integer will be x plus 2. For example, if we're going to have it here as 1, so the next odd integer will be plus 2. So we're going to have the next integer as x plus 2. So this is the second integer. Then for third will be x plus 4. Then fourth will be x plus 6. Then fifth number will be x plus 8. So again, first integer is x. Second integer here will be x plus 2. Third odd integer will be x plus 4. Then fourth will be x plus 6. And fifth will be x plus 8. Now, if we're going to have the problem, find 5 consecutive odd integers whose sum is 75. So we're going to add this 5 here. And its total is 75. So we're going to have x, then plus x plus 2, then plus x plus 4, plus x plus 6, plus x plus 8 will be equal to 75. Now, if we're going to add this one, combining like terms, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5x, so we're going to have 5x, then 2 plus 4, 6 plus 6, 12, plus 8, that will be 20, so this is plus 20, then transpose that one, that will become negative 20, so this is 75 minus 20. Then 75 minus 20 is 55, so we're going to have 5x equals 55, and x here will be equal to 11. So if x is equal to 11, so the first odd integer is 11. Then the second odd integer will be 11 plus 2, that will be 13. Third will be 11 plus 4, that will be 15. Then the fourth will be 17. And the last will be 19. Now to check if your answer is correct, just add the 5 numbers here. So 11 plus 13 plus 15 plus 17 plus 19. So the total here is 75. So your answer is correct. Number 2. The sum of 4 consecutive even integers is 2 more than 5 times the first integer. Find the smallest integer. So first, let's have some representation. So we can have x as the first even integer. Then the next even integer will be x plus 2. Second. Third will be x plus 4. And last will be x plus 6. So the sum of the 4 is 2 more than 5 times the first integer. So we're going to add this 4 here. So we're going to have x plus 2, then plus x plus 4 plus x plus 6. This is equal to 2 more than 5 times the first integer. So the first integer here is x, and we're going to multiply it with 5, so we're going to have 5x. Then it's more than 2 more than 5 times, so we're going to have plus 2. In solving the equation here, so x plus x plus x plus x, that will be 4x. Then 2 plus 4 is 6, plus 6 is 12, so this is plus 12. Then this is 5x plus 2. Then combining like terms here, we're going to have 4x minus 5x, that will be negative x. Then 2 minus 12 will be negative 10. So multiplying both sides by negative 1, the answer here is x equals 10. So the first even integer is 10. So find the smallest integer. So the smallest integer will be 10. So this will be your answer. Number 3. 5 times an odd integer plus 4 times the next odd integer equals 89. Find the second odd integer. So again, let's have first some representation. We can let x as the first integer or first odd integer. Then the next odd integer will be x plus 2. So second odd integer. So going back to the problem, 5 times an odd integer. So this one is the first integer. So 5 times, that will be 5x. So 5 times an odd integer plus, so this is 5x. 4 times the next odd integer, so that will be plus 4 times the next integer is x plus 2. So x plus 2, that will be equal to 89. Solving this one, we're going to have 5x plus 4 times x plus 2 is 4x plus 8 equals 89. Then 5x plus 4x is 9x equals 89 minus 8. So 9x here is equal to 89 minus 8 is 81. So x here is equal to 81 divided by 9 is 9. So the first odd integer is 9. And the second odd integer will be 9 plus 2 is 11. Number 4. Find 3 consecutive even integers such that 3 times the first equals the sum of the other two. So representations, let's have x equals the first even integer. Then we're going to have 3, so we're going to have x plus 2, second, and x plus 4, that will be the third. Then, going back to the problem, find 3 consecutive even integers such that 3 times the first, so the first integer is x, so we're going to have 3x equals the sum of the other two, equals sum of second and third. So second is x plus 2, third is x plus 4. So you're going to have its sum. It will be x plus 2 plus x plus 4. So 3x is equal to x plus x is 2x. Then plus 2 plus 4, 6. Combining like terms, 3x minus 2x, it will be x equals 6. So the first even integer here is 6. Second will be 8, third will be 10. To check if your answer is correct, we're going to have here 3 times the first equals the sum of the other two. So if we're going to multiply the first by 3, so 3 times 6, that is equal to the sum of the two, 8 plus 10. 3 times 6 is 18, 8 plus 10 is 18. So your answer is correct. I hope this video helped you. If you have questions about the topic, please comment down below and see you next time.